Greetings, everyone, and respected professor. This is M.K. Reeya Devi. I am a first year student in Kristu Jayanti College, Bengaluru, pursuing Masters in Social Work. This presentation is a part of my assignment where I will be talking about functions of subgroups and minority groups in India. Hopefully, I will be able to impart some knowledge on the same. Stay tuned. India is renowned for its immense cultural and religious diversity, and a product of its long history and vast geography. Within this mosaic, various subgroups and minority communities coexist, each with its unique identity, culture, and history. These groups, while often smaller in numbers compared to the majority population, play multifaceted roles in the social, cultural, economic, and political landscape of the country. In this presentation, we will delve into the functions and contributions of these groups in India, focusing on their significance in shaping the nation's identity and progress. Without any further ado, let's get into the functions of subgroups and minority groups in India. One of the fundamental functions of these groups in India is the preservation and promotion of their distinct cultures, languages, and traditions. India's cultural richness is a result of centuries of coexistence and interaction among various communities. Minority groups, whether based on religion, ethnicity, or language, contribute significantly to this diversity. They serve as repositories of unique cultural practices, rituals, and languages, preventing their extinction in the face of modernization and globalization. For instance, India's Parsi community, a religious minority, has played a crucial role in preserving the Zoroastrian faith and traditions. Their fire temples and religious ceremonies stand as living testaments to their commitment and cultural preservation. Similarly, linguistic minorities, such as the Tamil speaking population in the northern state of Tamil Nadu, have steadfastly preserved their language and literature, reinforcing the state's distinct cultural identity. The second function is advocacy and representation. Minority groups in India often find themselves in positions where they need to advocate for their rights and interests. These communities may experience discrimination or marginalization due to their distinct identities. Advocacy groups and representatives from these minority communities are essential in ensuring their concerns are heard and addressed. The political system in India recognizes the importance of representation for minority communities. For instance, the reservation of seats in legislatures and government jobs for SCs, STs, and other background classes is a concrete example of affirmative action aimed at empowering marginalized groups. The third function is promotion of diversity and pluralism. India's subgroups and minority groups play a pivotal role in promoting diversity and pluralism, the coexistence of multiple religions, languages, and traditions within a single nation is proof to the country's commitment to pluralism. These minority groups contribute to vibrant tapestry of Indian culture, showcasing the possibility of peaceful coexistence among diverse communities. For example, the presence of a thriving Muslim minority enriches India's religious landscape, fostering interfaith dialogue and cultural exchange. Festivals such as Eid, Diwali, Christmas, and Holi are celebrated across the nation, transcending religious boundaries and promoting unity in diversity. The fourth function of subgroups and minority groups in India is economic contributions. Minority groups in India are active participants in various sectors of the economy. They contribute to trade, commerce, agriculture, and industry, thereby driving economic growth and development. For instance, the Sikh community has a significant presence in agriculture, particularly in northern states in Punjab and Haryana, where they have played a crucial role in ensuring food security for the nation. The fifth function is social cohesion and social networks. Minority communities often serve as sources of social cohesion and solidarity. Within these groups, individuals find a sense of belonging and support networks that help them navigate the challenges of life in a diverse society. Whether it's providing assistance during times of crisis or preserving cultural ties, these communities play a vital role in maintaining social harmony. For example, the close-knit nature of Sikh community provides a robust support system for its members. Gurudwaras, the Sikh places of worship, not only serve as a religious center but also as community hubs where individuals can seek help and support. In the next function, we have political engagement and advocacy. This is another crucial function of subgroups and minority groups in India. Many of these groups participate in politics to advance their interests and concerns. Representation in legislatures and government bodies is a means through which they can influence policies and decisions that affect their communities. The Muslim community, as one of India's largest minority group, has a significant presence in politics. Muslim politicians have held important positions at the state and national levels, advocating for rights and welfare of their community, contributing to the country's political landscape. The next function is arts, literature, and cultural enrichment. Subgroups and minority groups contribute significantly to India's artistic and literary landscape. Their unique perspectives and creativity infuse Indian art, literature, and music with fresh ideas and diverse narratives. For instance, the vibrant traditions of Indian classical dance are preserved and enriched by various minority communities, including the Manipuri and the Kathakali dance forms of the northeastern and southern regions, respectively. In conclusion, subgroups and minority groups in India are not passive entities within the nation's social fabric. They are active agents of cultural preservation, social cohesion, economic development, and political change. Their contributions are integral to India's identity as a diverse and pluralistic nation. With these 7 functions of minority and subgroups in India, the presentation comes to an end. Thank you.